Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to continue with this cooling load calculation. So let us open this project, laundry project. So here you can see we have created number of spaces to this electrical room. So next is sorting area. So let us start with the sorting area. So just duplicate this electrical room, rename this sorting area. Okay, so here area you have to calculate the area. Enter AA and then add area A for add area. So you have to start adding the area from this point to this point. Click on this point and then click it here. Then this is the last point. Click and enter. You can see here 42.5 square meter. So 42.5 into 10.76. It will be 457 square feet. So 457 square feet. Okay, and the sorting area. So this is your sorting area. So here you can keep 5% of supply here. Then go to the internal and the lighting fixtures. So in the internal overhead lighting and equipment detail is number of people is let's say number of people 4 people. Okay, and they're doing the medium work. Then you have to select the schedule, people schedule here. Go to the wall and window. So here you can see this is your north and this elevation. So north elevation. So here you can select only the north. Add this. Okay, so north elevation, what will be the area for this wall, exposure wall? So you can see the length is 9.9 meter. 9.9 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 32 feet into 9 feet, it will be 292 square feet. 292 square feet. Okay, and then 4 windows is there. 4 window and 1 door will be there. So you have to select here number of window is 4 and door is 1. Okay, so window 1 and SD, single door. Then go to the roof and skylights. So your roof is horizontal roof and area is 457. So you have to select here 457 and then click on infiltration and select only when fan is off. Go to the floor tabs and you can select here slab floor on grade. So the area is 457. So floor area is 457. Okay, then there is partition. So you have to check if there is any partition or no. So there is no partition. So here the partition wall and ceiling will be 0. Just click OK and save it. Okay. Then your next space is a store. So you have to select this sorting area, just duplicate. And here you can say store area. Okay. Store. So the store and you have to calculate the area type AA. Add area. You have to click this point and then this point. Next is this point and this point. Enter. So you can see here 30 square meters. So 30 into 10.76 will be 322 square feet. So area will be 322. Okay. Height is 9 feet. Go to the internal and store there is no people. Okay. So you have to check and check. Go to the wall and you can select north wall. and width is 7 meter, so you have to calculate the area. So 7 into 3.28 into 9 feet, so it will be 206 square feet. 206 square feet, and 3 window and 1 door will be there. Okay, so 3 window, 1 door. And go to the roof and horizontal skylight. So roof and skylight, it will be, the area will be 322. So here 322. Then infiltration floor, slab floor on grade, then partition. There is no partition here. This space is condition space. So click OK. Now save it. So your all spaces has been created, and this is the toilet. So in this we are not going to do any air conditioning system. We have to do the ventilation system for this toilet. Okay. So after here we have created all those spaces. Now in the next tutorials, guys, I will show you how to create the system. Okay. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.